Hi, I'm April, and I'm the creator of the Wrist Dispense, and it's a tape dispenser for your wrist. And the reason I created this is because I've always struggled with finding the tape when I'm wrapping Christmas presents. So I'm going to show you a little clip here of what I go through every time I have to look for the tape when I'm wrapping presents. Okay, so that's the basic frustration that I deal with when I'm wrapping presents. I'm a mom of 3, and I'm always busy around the time of Christmas, and I just wait till the last minute and I wrap all the presents, and the biggest problem is I can never find my tape. So let me just show you a little bit of how this works. It's a tape dispenser we created. It took us a few months to figure this out. I know it may seem simple, but there were a lot of things we had to line up properly to get it to work. We created the tape to where the actual tape will come off of the dispenser like this, so that you can replace it and you can continue using this. So all you really need are the refills to be able to put on and off of the dispenser. The other thing is it goes right on your wrist. So we found a wristband that you can actually just slip your arm into here. And once you get it on, it actually works really well. You just tighten it to your wrist like this. It's adjustable, so any size wrist could use it, and you can use it on your left hand or your right hand, so depending on what works best for you. I find it's best on this hand just because I'm right-handed. So anyway, it's really hold on, I'm trying to get the tape here. Here we go. So you just pull the tape out like that, and your arm actually serves as the base for the tape. So here's a little clip of me using it while I'm wrapping my Christmas presents. And see how much better that works. It's right on your wrist, so it's easy to use, and so that's why we created this. We figured out how much money it's going to cost to make this product, and that's what we're trying to raise the money for, so that we can get it out and just get everybody a copy of it, and hopefully you'll support us. Thanks so much.